Federation of Mixed Martial Arts of the Republic of Tajikistan, or TAJMMAF, held another open tournament in amateur mixed martial arts among juniors and seniors. This time the sporting event was held in the Khujand city of v.СУՂД region from 1st to 3rd of July this year. Athletes from all over the Republic were able to take part in the tournament, the total number of which exceeded 200 people. In total, in 45 clubs competed athletes aged 18 till 20 and older. Sports competitions in TAJMMAF are held with the involvement of international level judges and representatives from IMMAF. These are experienced judges and coaches from International Federation IMMAF who come to Tajikistan to exchange experience and conduct a master class with Tajik coaches and judges. To the open tournament of the v.СУՂД region was invited one of the best American judges of the international level, Scott Manhardt. In 2021, Manhardt won the IMMAF Best Judge and Referee Award and has huge experience in this field.
So this is my first time in Tajikistan. I'm here for the Regional Open, which is basically like a national level championship. And I'm very impressed with the level of the athletes, their skills, as well as their athleticism. Some of them have had 4 or 5 fights in a matter of a couple days. It's very, very hard. So I'm very impressed with their durability as well. And as far as the officials, which I'm here to help, the level of the officiating is very high for such a young federation that have only had 2 guys go to Mark Goddard's course. They're still very knowledgeable and very well officiating these bouts.
Before the start of the tournament was held anti-doping seminar with the participation of IMMAF anti-doping manager Ms. Sophie Miller and anti-doping director from National Olympic Committee Ms. Farangiz Ganiba. Training sessions were held in the Palace of Sports of the Khujand city. It was attended by 30 Tajik coaches and athletes who received an international class certificate after passing the seminar. Note that the seminar was held in Russian and English. Knowledge of English is an important aspect of every athlete's life. The main component is the motivation and goal to get into international team, to participate in international competitions, and in the future to build a successful career.
First of all, I'd like to thank TAJMMAF for inviting me. It's been a pleasure getting to see this country and experience the Tajikistan hospitality. The anti-doping seminar for athletes, coaches, and management team was a great success. We had around 30 people attending, and they all passed the test. The competition itself has been also a great experience. It's been great to see all these fighters from IMMAF developing their skills on a national level, and to see the level of MMA rise even bigger.
Watching the fights, it should be noted that the broadcast of the open tournament was conducted on the big screen in the competition hall and at the same time live on the TAJMMAF YouTube channel. This once again confirms the holding of the championship by the TAJMMAF Federation at the international level. Upon completion of all competitions, the invited guests and international class judge Scott Manhardt presented certificates to 17 participants who completed refereeing and judging courses according to the IMMAF rules in amateur MMA. According to TAJMMAF Vice President v.СУՂД, in August this year, 2 TAJMMAF international level judges will take part in the International Championship in Abu Dhabi of the United Arab Emirates among boys from 12 to 17 years old.
The future of Tajik athletes is looking really well because you can see that TAJMMAF has put so much work and so much hard effort into making these championships, into giving athletes an opportunity to compete in a safe environment, and just seeing the MMA skill level at a really high elite level, you can already tell that a lot of these Tajik athletes will be very accomplished in the future.
TAJMMAF, since joining the International Mixed Martial Arts Federation family, has experienced rapid growth from a relatively new member of the IMMAF to the top 10 leading federations at both the senior and junior IMMAF levels. The main goal of the TAJMMAF Federation is the development and popularizing of amateur mixed martial arts in the Republic of Tajikistan, rising the culture of MMA as well as promoting physical culture and sports, a healthy lifestyle in society.